Welcome to Keto Labs How to series. Today, we're going to show how to set up auto-scaling in Databricks clusters. Previously, we showed how to create and configure Databricks clusters. If you hadn't watched the previous video yet, make sure to check it out in the description. Now, sign into your Databricks workspace, and let's get started. In the Workspace dashboard, click Compute on the left sidebar. This brings us to the Clusters Management page. Here, click Create Compute. To configure the cluster, give it a name. For this example, we'll name it Compute Cluster. Under Policy, we will select Unrestricted to grant full flexibility for cluster configuration. Choose between multi-node for distributed workloads or single node for simpler tasks. We will select multi-node for workloads requiring multiple worker nodes. For access mode, select single user to ensure only one user can access the cluster, providing better security for private workloads. Next, under Databricks runtime version, we will use 15.4 LTS for long-term support and performance stability, and enable Photon acceleration for faster query performance and optimized resource usage. For worker type, we will choose standard DS3v2, which offers 14 GB of memory and 4 cores. Set a minimum of 2 workers to ensure the cluster always has a base of 1 worker and a maximum of 8 workers for scalable expansion during high demand. Next, set the driver type, the same as the worker, and ensure to enable auto-scaling option to dynamically scale between the minimum and maximum workers based on workload. Set the cluster to automatically terminate after 10 minutes of inactivity to save costs. Optionally, you can add tags for resource management and cost tracking. Once all settings are configured, click Create Compute. The creation process will begin and may take a few minutes. In the meantime, let's discuss why autoscaling is essential in Databricks. Autoscaling adjusts worker nodes to match workload demands, adding nodes for high-demand tasks and reducing them during low demand to optimize resource usage. By scaling only when necessary and shutting down unused nodes, it prevents over-provisioning and cuts cloud expenses. Autoscaling is perfect for data-heavy jobs like ETL, machine learning, and real-time analytics, eliminating manual resource management with responsive scaling. Our compute cluster is now ready to be used in Databricks. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Databricks. Thanks for watching.